Alright, this is section B of the mid-year 2015 Maths P4 paper. Okay, the first one, write 16,076 in numerous. All you have to do is change them in numerous like this, 16,076, add them up together, and this is your answer. Okay, the next, find the sum of common factors of 20 and 30. So the factors of 20 over here, factors of 30 over here, common it means these are the same, 1, 2, 10, 5. Okay, add them up together is 18. Next, find the products of 7, 8, 2 and 24. This is the conventional way. You can I believe most of you learned it this way, but if you really need to check your answers and you have some time, try this way. Take 782 times 4 first. Okay, right, so break it into 700 times 4, 80 times 4 and 2 times 4. Add this number to 782 times 20 over here, 20. All right, you add all the numbers together, should be this. Okay, just in case you do not have a lot of confidence in this, or you're not practiced enough, try this method. Right, it may be long, but it can be quite easy. Next, express an improper fraction. 3 2/5, 3 whole 2/5, 3 times 5 plus 2, denominator 5 as usual. Okay, so it is 17 divided by 5 over here. Right, quite straightforward so far. Express this improper fraction as a mixed number. Now I can just break this into two parts. Now 4 over 6 is the remainder part, and this is 30 over 6, right? 30 plus 4. 30 plus 4 is 34 over 6. So 30 over 6 is actually 5. This 4 over 6 is the remainder over here. Then remember, simplest form, your answer has got to be this, right? 4 divided by 2 is 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Right? This is your answer. Find the difference between 5, 6 and 2/3. Okay, what you need to do now is to really double check which is bigger. Right, all you have to do is get their denominator. Okay, make them the same, right? Same denominator. I can convert this 3 into 6, right? By multiplying 2 above of the fraction, the numerator I got to multiply by 2, which is get 4 over 6. Therefore, over here, I got it 5 over 6 is greater than 4 over 6. 5 over 6 greater than 4 over 6. Take 5 over 6 minus 4 over 6 is 1/6. Okay, this line over here, draw 75. Okay, I believe you should be able to get this thing done, right? In such that a line BC, such that ABC is 75 degrees. Please note that the center part is B. Right, it means it is that B part is where you place your 75 degrees. A, B, C. Okay, that is how it should be. Now draw a perpendicular line to XY, cutting through P. Get a set square. Okay, put it there. Draw the line across. Now in this diagram, how many parallel lines there are? So there are 2 sets of parallel lines. Okay, take a look for yourself. Okay, in this rectangle here, find this angle. Okay, take note that this red line over here, it means angle WXY. Angle WXY is 90 degrees. 90 degrees takes away 34, right? Gives you the answer, 56 degrees. Okay, angle A is 56 degrees. When the number is divided by 7, it has a quotient of 314 and a remainder of 3. Okay, what is this number? So a number divided by 7 has a quotient of 314, remainder, and a remainder of 3. So all you have to do is take it reversely. Take 314 times back 7. 314 times 7, then you add on the remainder. Okay, you should get this answer 220. Right, please pause the video anytime and study the this solution over here. Jenny had 865 muffins. After selling 345 of them, she gave the remaining muffins to her 5 friends. Remember, to her 5 friends gave. So 865, she sold 345, and the 5 friends will get this remainder. Right, so how do you find this portion over here? Is here 865 takes away 345 is 520. Next, then 520, which is this portion here, okay, divide by 5 friends. All right, then you get 104 each of them has 104. Next, this line graph, it will be good for you to put this labeling here: 50, 20, 60, 45, and 30. All right, let's take a look what the question is about. What was the difference between the highest and the lowest number of television sets sold over 5 days? So highest is 60, lowest is 20, so the difference is 40. Right, 25, how many tens are there in this? Right, all you have to do is probably get this right, convert this into improper fraction first, which is 7/5. Now convert this 5 into 10. That's why you get tens. So to change 5 into tens, denominator you times 2, top times 2, then the answer is 14/10. So you have 14 tens. Miss Slim baked 84 pancakes. 37 of the pancakes were bananas flavored and the rest were chocolate flavored. How many chocolate flavored pancakes did she bake? Okay, take a look at this table. It's very useful. What I do is the number part and the related fraction. It means initially she has 84. It is 1 whole. Okay, and B means banana. It was given only B 3/7, the fraction, but not the number. And to find how many chocolates flavor did she bake, this is the question here. Right, this is the question here. Now to find this part, what is the fraction of which is not given, the fraction of chocolate flavored pancakes? Okay, it is actually 1 whole, which is here, takes away banana, you will have this chocolate, right, the fraction of chocolate. So 1 whole minus 3/7, right, 7/7 minus 3/7 is 47. This is 47. So in order to find the number, not the fraction, we have found the fraction, but we need to find the number of pancakes. All you have to do is to take 4/7 times the total number you had originally. So 4/7 times 84, if cancel is 4 times 12, which is 48 chocolate cakes. So this question mark here is 48. Alright, so your answer is 48. I'm going to ask you a question. Are you able to find this part now? Easy, right? Let's carry on. Ali had 126 goldfish in his aquarium. He sold 2/3 of goldfish at $5 each. How much money did he receive? So number sold, check, 2/3 sold, 2/3 of 126. So you take 2/3 times 126. Okay, straight away what you can do is you can take 126 divided by 3, which I did here. 126 divided by 3, okay, which is 42. So this whole thing becomes 42, right, because it's being divided by 3. So it's 42 over here, 42 times 2, 42 times 2, 84. Okay, the number of goldfish sold, okay, was 84. Okay, now how much money he received? 84 times $5 each. 84 times $5 each, it is 420, right? 420. Let's carry on. What is 3/4 of a complete turn? One turn is 360 degrees. 3/4 means all you have to do, take 3/4 times 360 degrees. Okay, so if you cancel them, 360 divided by 4 is 90, so it's 3 times 90, 270, right? 270 degrees. Study the diagram below carefully. Okay, now let us read here. After turning 225 degrees anti-clockwise, it means he turned somewhere this way. Okay, after turning this way, Tom was facing east after turning. Just hang on first. So after turning, right, he was facing east, this part. So it has turned anti-clockwise from somewhere here, turn anti-clockwise facing east. So now what you need to do is to turn back clockwise, okay, 225 degrees. So take note that in the 225 degrees, okay, in the 225 degrees total, there are 5 45 degrees. So you count back, okay, 5 or 45 degrees, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so that you can find out before he was standing at northwest. That's the answer. Then he turned anti-clockwise. Then he faced east. Right, that's how you should get it done. Pause this video to understand slowly. Next, study the letters carefully. List all letters which have parallel lines. Is M and E, right? M and E. Okay, next, this is quite interesting. The figure below is made up of a square, which is this one, and a rectangle. Now the length of the rectangle is twice its breadth. The length of the rectangle is twice its breadth. It means this part here, right, number 1, I'm talking here, is 2 times of this. Okay, is 2 times of this, right? And in fact, if you're smart enough, take a look. Actually, the total sides, okay, there are 6 U's, 6 equal lengths. All right, only thing is that this part is 2 times more than the breadth. Okay, now the breadth of the rectangle is half the length of the square, number 2. Now this is the length of the square, and the breadth, which is this part U, happen to be half of this whole thing. It means half. It means if this is U, this has got to be U also, right? Pause this video to think what I was trying to say. Now what you have here is, this is U, this is another U. Now since this whole thing is a square, if this is 2 U's, this must be 2 U's also. This must be 2U and 2U, because 4 sides of a square are equal. If the length of the rectangle is 6 cm, where is the rectangle? Rectangle is 6 cm. This part is 6, right? 6 cm. Take a look. If the length of the rectangle is 6 cm, now let's take a look. What is the question? What is the length of AB? Where is AB? AB means here plus here, right? From here you can already see this is 2U and this is 2U. The length of AB is actually 2U plus 2U, which is 4U. But before that, let us take a look here. The length of the rectangle is 6 cm. Let's take a look. Now 6 cm, we have 2 U's, 1, 2, which is here also. It means this is 6 cm. Okay, so to find AB is quite straightforward. 2U plus 2U. Can you see? 2U plus 2U. So total is 4U. Okay, right? If 1U, which I've calculated over here, 1U is 3 cm. All right, 4U is 12 cm. So therefore the length of A all the way to B is 12 cm. Please pause this video and study again. Alright, study this again. Let's carry on. Section C, Susan has more than 30 lollipops and fewer than 40 lollipops. It means the number can never be 30 or below or 40 and above. So it's between here. Now watch out, Susan and 5 friends, 5 of her friends, total there are 6 persons. Okay, they share the lollipop equally. Alright, the number is from 31 to 39. They share with 6 persons. Now the multiple of 6, okay, falls between 30 and 40 is only this. It's only this. Okay, 36, no other thing. So she had actually 36 lollipops at first. Pause this video and study this thing again. Let's carry on. John thinks of a number greater than 20, but smaller than 35. It can be, and this number over here can be divided exactly by 4. That is why you need to list it multiples of 4. Now these numbers here between 20 and 35, which are these numbers, they can be divided by 4. So they say when this number here, this 3 number, when 3 is added to it, it can be divided exactly by 9. So 24 plus 3 is 27, 28 plus 3 is 31, 32 plus 3 is 35. Only 24 plus 3, which is 27, okay, can be divided exactly by 9. Okay, therefore the number, watch here, the number is 24 over here, but not 27. Right? Some of you mistakenly wrote it as 27 just because it fell here. Right? The original number is here. Okay, when added by 3, you get 27. Original number is 24. Next. Mary had 19 packets, each containing 25 kilograms of rice. So 19 packets times 25 kilograms, which gives us 475 kilograms. That is the total weight of 19 packets. Now 115 kilogram of rice leaked later from some broken packets. She repacked, okay, the rest equally into 9 bags. How much did she pack into each bag? All you have to do, total weight minus off this part, which is leaked. Okay, you get 360 kilograms left of rice, which are left over. Then all you have to do is divide this 360 into 9 bags, because she packed them into 9 bags. So it's 40 kilograms each, right, over here. Okay, next. 3 blouses and 2 skirts cost $245. Now the cost, watch out this part. This part is very important. It tells the relationship between the blouses for 1 blouse and 1 skirt. The cost of 1 blouse is half the cost of 1 skirt. Now bring your attention over here. It means blouse, you will have 1U, skirt, okay, 2U. Why? Because blouse is half of this skirt. The cost of blouse is half, right? Therefore it's 1U and the skirt is 2U. Hope you understand this part first. All right, this is important. Now A, what is the total cost of 1 blouse and what is the total cost of 1 skirt? It means find out here, find out U, and find out 2 U's. Okay, the actual model should look like this. Okay, over here. Now let's take a look exactly. Okay, right, 3 blouses and 2 skirts. Okay, I want you to pay attention to here. Total of these 5 items, they cost 245. Look, the actual model is this. Can you see? Right, 3 blouses, each blouse is 1 U. Can you see? 1 U. So 3 blouses means 1, 2, 3, 3 U's. 1 skirt is 2 U, but there are 2 skirts, right? 1 skirt, 2 skirt, total 4 U's. Now these 2 items add together is 7 U's. Right? 7 U is 245. Let us find out 1 U. 7 U is 245. 1 U is 245 divided by 7 is 35. Now let's take a look how you're going to find what you needed to find. 1 blouse. Now you find out the cost of 1 blouse, right? Now this is A, how you answer the question. 1 blouse is 1 U, therefore leave it as 35. You see, 1 U is 35. A skirt is 2 U's, right? Therefore it is 35 times 2, $70. Right? Number 40, a third of a pupil travel to school by bus. Look here. This is the number. This is by bus. This is by bus. 1/3 of the pupil, the total number of people, 1/3 travel by bus, half travel by car. You see, half of them travel to school by car, and the rest walk to school. Look here, walk to school. Now this is slightly different. It does not give you the number exactly which number it is. It gives you 7 more pupils. If 7 more pupils here travel to school by car than by bus. Okay, now take a look at this. Try to understand. This is B. Number B will represent the number of pupils travel by bus. Okay, we do not know what number it is, but it is just this. Okay, then over here, car is B plus 7. It means car has 7 more pupils than the number of pupils traveled by bus. Okay, try to understand this part again. B means bus number. We do not know what number. Over here is plus 7. Number of people traveled by bus, plus 7. Right, what is given over here is the fraction. Now we're going to deal with the fractions here by converting the denominator to the same number, 6. Okay, so this 1/3 is 2/6, half is 3/6. Okay, now I want you to be alert. Take a look. 3/6, 2/6. Okay, 3/6 is bigger than 2/6. Okay, watch out here. Now let's see. So the fraction difference, it means the difference in these two fractions is 1/6. And you must also be able to relate that the difference between these two is that car has 7 more. Okay, and in fraction, car has 1/6 more. It simply means this: 1/6 is 7 numbers. When you have the fraction 1/6 of the pupil is 7. Now it is represented by here. This is what you have been learning. 7 parts. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, just make sure it's 7 parts. This is drawn down. Okay, one of them. Sorry, 6 parts here. 1, 6. 1 U is 7. Just hold on first. I think I got a slight mistake. Just hang on. Okay. Freehand. Okay. sorry, this one here is wrong. This is 1 6, this is 7. Okay, 1U is 7, not 6 here. Okay, so this 1 unit here is 7. So long you get 1 unit, you can solve many things, right? Let's take a look here. Now this one, what is the question here? Let's take a look. So please remember 1 unit is 7, right? Remember this part. Let's take a look. What is the question about? What is the question asking? Okay, now take a look up. How many pupils are there altogether? How many pupils are there altogether? Now please take note, total must be 6 unit. 2 units, 2U is this B. 3U is B plus 7. Okay, 2 plus 3 is 5. Over here is 1 6. Okay, and the difference between these two, just now we found out, is 1 6. All right, found out is 1 6. So we found out 1 unit. Now all you have to do, go straight to total. How many pupils there are altogether? Total is 6 units. So if 1 unit is 6, okay, sorry, 1 unit is 7 over here. 6 unit is, all right, 6 unit is 6 times 7, 42 pupils in total. Right, 42 pupils in total means 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 and 6, total is should be 42 pupils. Right, maybe my explanation may be too long, but I just hope you understand this part. Okay, these two, the difference, find the difference. Right, the difference between these two is 1 6. The difference in numbers is 7. So you relate 1 6, relate 1 6 to 7. 1 unit is 7. All right, not 6 over here. 1 unit is 7. Okay, hope you understand. If any problem, please come and find me. Let's carry on. Mary had sold 4/5 kilogram of potatoes. She gave 1/3 kilogram of them to Susan and 1/5 kilogram to Jane. How many kilograms of potatoes was left? Okay, was she left with? Express your final answers in simplest form. Total, so much, in kilograms. Watch out, they're not in numbers, not the number of potatoes, but the weight of the potatoes. She gave this weight away, which is 1/3, and she gave the other part away also. Okay, now, and what is left? All you have to do, take the total minus this 2, what is given away. Right, let's take a look here. It will be a bit tricky. First of all, change all this into improper fraction. Okay, so 1 by 1, 3 times 5 plus 4, improper fraction. This improper fraction, improper fraction. Now watch out, the denominators end up in 5, 10, and 5. Okay, all you have to do, change all the denominators into 10. So to change this into 10, denominator of 10, you times 2 for both sides, top and bottom. You get 1210 over here, times 2, 3810. 3810 takes away 25 tens. Okay, which is left with 13 tens. Now the simplest form must be with whole number. 1 whole 3 and 10 kilogram. That is the answer. 13 over 10 is 1 whole 3 over 10 kilogram. That is the simplest form you can get. Mrs. Tan had 5 meters of cloth. Okay, she needs now watch out, this is 5 meters of cloth in length. Now she needs 5/6 meters. 5/6 of a meter is not even 1 meter. Remember, this is a fraction of 1 meter, but this is 5 meters. 5 meters more than 1 meter, but this is less than 1 meter. Okay, so she needs this amount or this length of cloth to make one pillow. A pillow. What is the length of cloth will be left? Now watch out. What is being left if she after making 3 pillows? Now 3 pillows, all you have to do, take 3 pillows, the length of 3 pillows needed, okay, the length of cloth needed for 3 pillows times 3. So 5, 6, which is needed for 1 pillow, times 3. Okay, which is something like this: 5, 6 plus 5, 6 plus 5, 6, or you just take 3 times 5 on top, which is 15 over 6. Now take a look. All she has at first, minus 15 over 6. Okay, what she used to make pillows, you minus them together, you get 15 over 6, which is this 3 over 6, convert into smallest, simplest form. Simplest term is 2.5 meters. The length of cloth left would be 2.5 meters. Alright, Mrs. Tay bought 7 over 9 kilogram of meat. Mrs. Lim bought 1/3 kilogram of meat less than Mrs. Tay. How much meat did they buy altogether? Give your answer as mixed number in its simplest form. Okay, take a look at the first one. This is Mrs. Tay, just one block. Now this, watch out, this is not even 1 kilogram. 7 over 9 of a kilogram is not even 1 kilogram. And the difference between this Mrs. Tay's meat and Mrs. Lim is, okay, 1/3. Okay, Mrs. Lim bought lesser than Mrs. Tay. Alright, now what is the question? How much meat did they buy altogether? So this is the question to add this block and this block. First, find this block. Take 7 over 9 kg minus 1/3 kg. Alright, which is this way. Once you minus it, it is 4 over 9 kg. It means Mrs. Tay actually she has 4 over 9 kg. Right? Can you see? 7 over 9 kg. Tay, sorry, Mrs. Lim is 4 over 9 kg. So you take Lim plus Tay. Right, 4 over 9 plus 7 over 9 is 11 over 9. Simplest form is 1 whole 2 over 9. Alright, that's the end of paper. Please do rewind the video for your further understanding. Thank you.